Hi everyone, it's Mindy Egan for Hero Arts and welcome to our introduction and inspiration video for the monthly mini clear set and dies of the month for January 2025. This is a 4x6 clear stamp set with 6 thoughtful phrases crafting the perfect message for that perfect someone. This set also includes 7 solid images for adding a playful accent to your project. There are coordinating dies allowing you to die cut out each of the sentiments and images, making it easy to add dimension to your card projects. The sentiments include sending you love, you're my person, you have my heart, you're the sweetest, hello love, and love you. Let's create a card using this set. Start with the Lots of Love stencil from the January 2025 release. Secure in place with some removable tape and ink blend with cotton candy, azalea, and raspberry jam ink using a blending brush. After blending, lightly go back over the background. Add splatters of white acrylic spray and gold glimmer metallic ink. Stamp a sentiment of your choice using a stamping positioner or a clear block and pitch black ink. Die cut out with the coordinating die. To complete the card and enhance the sentiment as a focal point, I'll be using the heart and scalloped heart from the Folded Love Note die set using white and ultra pink cardstock, along with stamped flowers from the card kit of the month for January 2025. Pop up the heart with foam squares and add tape runner or liquid glue to the back of the scalloped heart and arrange your stamp flowers. Add foam squares and adhere to the front of your stenciled background. Finish your card by adding the sentiment to the center of the heart using the Hero Arts Precision Glue. Sign up today and find out more about the Hero Arts monthly minis by visiting heroarts.com.